This video entails the simplest and the fastest way you can buy PayPal funds in Nigeria. Alright? Alright. The central bank ban and a lot of restriction placed upon Nigerians' transactions, PayPal funds has been very difficult to get, alright, and that's because you have a spending limit on your debit card or your credit card in Nigeria, so it makes it difficult to get PayPal funds in a very large quantity. You can't even get up to $100, $1,000 or thereabout. So most times you want to buy stuff online and you need some good amount of money. All right, it becomes really difficult, and sometimes transaction gets stranded. Sometimes some of us want to pay for thousands and thousands of domains, or hundreds and hundreds of domains, but we don't have PayPal funds to do that. This is the simplest way you can do that without having any problem or having any issue. Please like this video, subscribe, as that will help the algorithm push this video to more persons, and then we'll have more community members. So let's just dive right into the video right now.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do here is to go to paxful.com. Alright, if you don't have Paxful account, I'll drop a link below. Alright, on Paxful you can buy Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum with any payment method around the world as much as possible. There are so many payment methods on this Paxful. Alright, so now I'm going to buy either Tether or Bitcoin using my local bank account. Alright, and that's the first thing I'm going to do. Remember, we are going to buy PayPal right here.
Wait, I know you are anxious to watch this video, but I want you to just do me a favor right now. Please hit the subscription button below and then like the video, and you can continue. If you have any other thoughts, comment it, and then I'll always look out for them. Back to your video.
So here we go. On Paxful, I'm going to use Tether, that's USDT, to buy. I'm going to buy Tether, then I'll now use the Tether to buy the PayPal funds. It's just as simple as that. Alright, this is the process of creating it. So on my Paxful, I have to set up, I want to buy Tether, and the payment method is bank transfer. That's, I'm going to transfer with my local bank account in Nigeria here, then to the person that I'm exchanging with. Then I set up the amount I want to buy, and then choose among the first set of ads there. Okay, and then I click create. So on the next page, which is this page you're actually looking at, I still have to enter the amount and then the payment method I wish to use. So at the end of the day, after setting it up, I'll have to hit the buy button, which I did. So on the next page, you will discover that I already bought this Tether, and then now after buying on Paxful, it's always nice to rate the person really good. The same thing applies to the person, because without good rating, most people will not do business with you on Paxful. Alright, so this person looks like he's from Ghana. Okay, it was nice dealing with him. Alright, so now that I've bought my USDT, you can see the balance rate in my local currency above, like about 6,000 naira worth of USDT. That's about $10 worth of USDT. Then now the next thing is I click on sell. I want to sell the USDT immediately. Then click on payment method PayPal, and then set the limit $10, and then click on the available ads at the top. Alright, when you're clicking on ad, be sure that you check the rating and check if the person is online, because some persons are not online. They'll waste your time. Alright, then okay, enter the parameters, the amount I need, and then click enter. Remember that Paxful always takes some percentage of fees of every exchange you do here, so you might not be able to use every single thing in your balance to make this a purchase. Alright, so now that I'm done setting up everything, the next thing I'm going to do right here is to click sell. So once I click sell, I will have to send the person at the other end my PayPal email, and then he will send the PayPal funds to my email. And when they send PayPal funds, remember that PayPal funds is volatile, so the first thing I do is I normally use some portion of it to make purchase online, to complete the purchase I want to do, to be sure that the person did not send a kind of pending purchase PayPal fund. You know that now can be retracted. They can appeal for that funds, and the PayPal will return the money to them. Alright, so now when I'm done making the purchase, or checking or transferring, or just checking, make sure that the person sent the right thing, then I'll come back to Paxful to confirm him. Once this person have sent the money, they will come to paxful and then click paid. All right, then you have to go to your PayPal to confirm if the money is there. You can see my $10 is already there. He's already sent it. So now, after making my necessary confirmations, I'll come to paxful and click send USDT to complete the payment, and it's just as simple as that. All right, this is how to successfully buy paper funds on paxful without going through the federal government stress that Nigerians have to go through. You can, with this method, you can buy as much as possible. You can buy funds up to $3,000, $5,000 on paxful. Meanwhile, that is not possible with your normal credit card or debit card in Nigeria. Always be sure that you rate the person really good. Okay, rate them 5%. I don't know, some people that rate people 4%. I don't know what you want to do with the remaining percent, so that the person can rate you back.
So now you have gotten to this point of this video. Please do well to just subscribe or like the video and then comment in the comment section. Always follow me on Instagram at BarinuaTradex, Facebook at 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦𝗓. Alright,